Hello from 3 chapter 1 video number 5, and this is your notes page number 5 also. Okay, I'll start from now. We're going to talk about the sensory organ one by one in detail. So we start the most difficult, the eyes, 我们的眼睛. Okay, so eyes structure and their functions, and this is a very important title for you to know about your eyes, 给你自己知道你的眼睛. Okay, so turn page number 5, 你的 notes 第5面 page number 5. Okay, follow me, 跟着我啊，来。When we talk about our eyes ball actually can be separated into 3 layers. 我们的眼睛可以分成3大层 ，and the uppermost layer 最外面的一层呢 ，we call this as sclera. Okay, copy sclera. 最外面的一层呢 ，we call this as sclera. What is mean by sclera? The white color layer muscle is a hard layer. What is the function of this sclera? 它的功能是什么呢 ？I show you first. 什么叫 sclera? 那 this layer 这个白色的这一层就叫 sclera. It's a hard layer of muscle. 一层比较硬的 muscle. What is the functions? Give the eyeball a shape. 给眼睛呢一个形状。Protect our eyeball. 保护着我们的眼睛啦。So sclera. What is the functions? 来给眼睛一个形状。Protect and shape the eyes. 保护，然后给眼睛一个形状。And under the sclera, we're having another layer, and this layer actually is black in color. 这一层呢是黑色的 ，and the black color layer we call choroid. 这一层黑色的呢就叫 choroid. In Chinese, they call what I don't know. OK, 我不知道，我没有去见过。Sclera 白色的 ，choroid just under the sclera. Okay, so what we have on the choroid 这一层呢有什么东西呢？Why the choroid actually is black in color? 它为什么是黑色的呢？奇怪，对不对 ？Okay, the capillaries supply the nutrients and the what to the eyes. The capillaries supply the food nutrient and the oxygen to the eyes. So choroid actually is black color. 为什么呢？ It contains a lot of blood capillary. 它有很多的微血管。They supply the blood, supply the food nutrients, and also supply the oxygen to the eyes. 提供氧气，提供养分。At the same time, for choroid, it also contains a black color pigment. 它里面呢有黑色素 （black color pigment）。What's the function of this black color pigment? 这一层的黑色素拿来做什么的呢 ？Absorb the light， 它吸收阳光。Okay, and what? 为什么需要黑色素在里面呢 maybe I give you the idea 啦，我给你 idea. Okay. So now they says when the light entering our eyes, 当光进入我们的眼睛的时候 ，it making one image， 它形成了第一个 image。Okay, so what is the function of this layer called choroid? Choroid 这一层它的功能是什么呢 ？Absorb the light， 吸收阳光 ，and prevent the light from the diffraction， 防止光反射。If the choroid not absorb the light， 如果 choroid 没有把光呢吸掉 ，and the light going to diffract， 它的光呢就会被反射 ，and finally you forming a second image。You forming the third image, so 最后你眼睛里面全部都是 image， 全部都是我的照片，对不对 ？So choroid 它为什么有黑色素在里面 ？Absorb the light， 吸收光 ，prevent the light diffraction，prevent the light diffraction， 防止光反射啦。So choroid 它的功能是什么呢 ？The black pigment absorb the light and prevent the diffraction of light， 吸收光，防止光反射，这一层叫 choroid， 你看不到的。Okay， 我不管怎样给你看，你也看不到。所以这边没有一个东西叫 choroid。Choroid is under the sclera， 它在这一层白色的下面，里面你看不到，明白吗 ？OK， 所以这个叫 choroid。First layer 我们叫它 sclera，second layer choroid and the inner layer。Okay, that contains a lot of sensory receptor. 这一层呢就有很多的 sensory receptor， 感应细胞that detect the light， 它可以感应到光。So this layer we call retina. 这一层呢就叫 retina。So what is retina? 什么叫 retina? Okay, detect the light stimuli. It contains a lot of receptor. 它有很多的感应细胞。It detect the light stimuli. 它感应到光的变化。Okay, and produce the nerve impulses， 然后产生神经讯息啦 ，and send the information in the form of nerve impulses to the brains. Okay, so 这一层叫 retina。 它很多感应细胞，它们感应到光的变化 and produce impulses and send the impulses to the brain 然后就把这个神经讯息呢送去脑袋，所以这一层就叫 retina， 感应细胞很多的一层就叫 retina。Okay, so these are the sensory cells on the retina, or the receptor on the retina. Retina 表面上的 receptor 专门感应到光的变化，产生神经讯息。Understand? So 这种就叫 retina. So 第一层 sclera 白色，第二层 choroid 黑色，第三层 I don't know what is the color. I just know it contains a lot of receptor. 它叫 retina.Okay, 看啊 retina, 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 retina. And on the layer called retina, it is a small depression. It contains a small depression, 有一个小凹洞。Okay, and for this small depression, it contains a most receptor. 这个小凹洞呢，它有最多感应细胞。This is the most sensitive area on the retina. 它就是 retina 的表面上最敏感的一个地方，因为它的感应细胞最多。所以这个地方叫什么名字呢 ？Central fovea, yellow spot, central fovea. Okay, yellow spot. 新的书叫 yellow spot 小黄点呢 ，OK， and the old book 老书呢，大致上我们称它为 central fovea，central fovea，OK，so central fovea 其实是谁来的呢？它就是 retina 来的 ，retina 表面上的一个地方就叫 central fovea，retina 表面上的一个小凹洞啊。So this part of retina is the most sensitive to light. 它是最敏感的一个地方 ，OK？ It detects the light stimuli， 它感应到光的变化 ，and produce nerve impulses， 然后产生神经讯息 ，OK？So yellow spot 其实就是 retina， 为什么它特别呢？因为它最敏感 ，So this is what we call central fovea or yellow spot. It contains the most sensory receptor， 它的感应细胞最多，明白吗 ？So central fovea， 再走，还有什么东西？3、4个了，全部的名字要背，自己保重。OK。So retina, retina, retina on the small depression， 这个很敏感，叫 central fovea. Retina, retina, retina again. So on the surface of retina, there's another area， 另外一个地方。This is a place for blood capillary in and out the eyes. Or this is a place for sensory tissue in and out the eyes. 跑进眼睛，跑出眼睛的地方，对不对？神经系组织，要不然就血管。So on this area， 在这个地方啊 ，it does not contain any receptor， 它里面完全没有任何的感应器。So this is a point that we call blind spot。它也是 retina 的表面的其中一个 part， 不过它叫盲点 blind spot。Okay，so this point on the retina is not sensitive to light， 它对光不敏感。Images falling on this spot cannot be detected because why? Because there is no receptor cell on this spot. 在这个点上面呢，完全没有 receptor， 完全没有感应细胞。Understand? 它虽然是 retina， 不过这个点叫盲点。Okay? This is a spot where the optic nerve 就是我们的神经组织了 leave the eyeball 跑出眼球的一个地方，所以那边没有感应细胞，所以出现了一个小盲点。OK？很难吗 ？For me no. Okay, sclera, choroid, retina. Retina 的小凹洞很敏感，叫 central fovea。有一个地方完全不敏感，叫 blind spot. Okay. So when the retina detect the light stimuli and making the impulses, how the impulses go to the brain? 神经讯息将送去脑袋的呢 ？Okay, they'll be carried by the nerve. 被神经线送去脑袋 ，so 这个神经线就叫 optic nerve 就是眼睛的神经线啊 ，optic nerve。Okay， so send the nerve impulses from the retina to the brain to be interpreted. So 把神经讯息从你的 retina 送去脑袋了，给你的脑袋做分析，明白吗？所以这个神经线就叫 optic nerve。Okay， so finish the part behind the eye 其实不可以叫 behind 啦，就是第一个 part 在我们的这个图片的后面的这一个 part。 Okay? And I'm going to continue the eyes in another video, otherwise it will be too long. 要不然太多的结构太长了。我先解决第一个 part， 就是后面的这一个 part 啦。Sekarang correct retina， 最敏感的叫 central fovea， 完全不敏感的叫 blind spot。送神经讯息的呢就叫 optic nerve。So temporary still not difficult， 它还不算难，对不对？ So see you in the next video， 下一个 video。再见，拜拜。